Alright, today we got the C-Tug Ultimate Kayak and Canoe Trolley in the mail. And we're going to get this put together, show you the parts, what it looks like. And the big thing I want to test today is the claim that it dismantles in under 20 seconds. So we're going to put this together and we're going to time and see how fast I can actually dismantle and pull this apart. Alright, so we're going to open the box and see what this thing looks like. Alright, so we have all of our parts. We have our instructions, which will help us in assembly. So we're going to put this together and see how long it takes us to tear it back down. Alright, so that is put together. One thing I really like is the pins. You know, these pins are nice because they stay attached. So there's no more risk of, losing a pin or anything else during storage or assembly or disassembly on the water. Alright, now that everything's put together, we're going to take and pull out the old timer. And we're going to see how fast I can actually get this thing disassembled and see if we can do it in under the 20 seconds it's claimed by the manufacturer. Alright, 30 seconds, so not quite the 20 claimed. We're going to try it again and see if we can't do it a little bit faster. Alright, so we're reassembled. Stopwatch is reset, so we're going to try again and see if we can't make this 20-second mark. Alright, that time we were able to disassemble it in 20.69 seconds. So that is pretty impressive. Alright, so we took and tested the claim of dismantling in under 20 seconds for the C-Tug Kayak and Canoe Trolley. And the first time I was able to do it in about 30 seconds. And the second time was just at 20 seconds. So considering that's only the first times I've ever put this together or taken it apart, that's pretty impressive, and I would say that that statement is true. Alright, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Put in the comment section, let me know if you've ever used a C-Tug product, or especially the C-Tug Kayak and Canoe Trolley, and what you thought of it and your impressions.